Okay, so here we go. All right, 12 and 23. So you would take this first number. I'm gonna take out the 10. I'm going to put what's left over on that side. Then on the 23, I'm going to take out the 10s and add what's left on the bottom. So now I'm going to draw my boxes. So let's go ahead and label the boxes. So this one will be 20 times 10. This one will be 3 times 10. This will be 2 times 20. And this one will be 3 times 2. Let's go ahead and find the products to these multiplication problems. 2 times 1 is 2. You're going to add 2 zeros. 3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. And I'm going to add the 0. The next thing we do is, you guessed it, we're going to add the boxes. So we have 200 plus 30 plus 40 plus 6. So 200 plus 30 is 230, plus 40, which gives us 270, plus the 6 will give us 276. Everybody got it? Okay, so our answer is 276. All right, let's move on. Okay, for this example, which model can be used to represent 15 times 15? So sometimes it's not going to ask you to give her the product. Sometimes it's going to ask you to show the picture that goes with the problem. And you have to be able to do that. That's the representation of the problem. Okay? And that is a very great skill to have. So let's look at this. So knowing what you know, which one can we eliminate? I think what I would sure like to know what you're saying. So let's eliminate A. Why? Because there's a 30 there. There's nowhere in the problem that it says 30 times anything. So we would eliminate that. How about B? Why can we eliminate this one? Correct. Because the B, the 5, it needs to be 5 added to the 10 to make that a 15. Then it will go with the problem. So C, same thing. That's 3 times 5. That's what that's representing. And D represents 15 times 15. So keep that in mind as you do your lessons. So this next question is just a standard way of writing multiplication. Sometimes you may see it written like 67 times 9 the long ways. So 67 times 49, like that. So what you should always do is line them up. It's just the easier way. So here we go. 9 times 7 is 63. So you write down your 3, and you're going to carry your 6 over there. So now you take 6 times 9. That is 54. But remember, you have the 6 over here. So now you have to do 54 plus 6. And that will give you, what? That'll give you 60. So then you will come over here and you'll write 0, And because there's nothing else to multiply, you'll go ahead and just add that 6. Next, you go to the second line, the second number, which is in the tens place, which is a 4. You will take the 4 and you will multiply it times the top numbers. But the only thing different with this, you will always put a placeholder here. Some people put it there, some people don't, but what you don't do is write anything there. Okay, besides a 0, because it's a placeholder. So you're going to go 4 times 7, which gives us 28. You're going to write down your 8, and then you're going to carry your 2. Then you're going to do 6 times 4, which is 24 plus 2. So 24 plus 2 will give us 26. So you write down the 6 above the other 6, because remember, we're keeping everything in place. And then you will also, because there's nothing else that we can multiply the 4 with, you will go ahead and just drop your 2. Then when you have finished multiplying all the way across, then you will add 3 plus 0 will give us 3. 8 plus 0 will give us 8. And then 6 plus 6 will give us 12. We write down the 2, and we're carrying the 1 over. And then we add the 2 and the 1, which will give us 3. Then we'll go back 1, 2, 3, comma, me, and give us 3,283. Got it? Now, let's do another one, just one more, just so I can show you a longer number. Let's see if we can move this, and we can use this space down here. Wait for it to clear up. And this is going to be our problem. We're going to multiply 4,532 times 7. You can go ahead and pause the video and work it out before we work it out together, or you can just follow me. Here we go. 7 times 2 is 14. We will write down the 4 because it's in the ones place, and we will carry the 1 over because it's in the tens place. So 7 times 3 is 21, plus we're going to add that 1, which will give us 22. So we're going to write the 2 right up under the 3. Remember, we're keeping everything lined up. And then we're going to carry the 2 over to the next number, to the next place value, which is a 5. So now it's 7 times 5, which is 35. And then we're going to add 2. So 35 plus 2 is 37. So we're going to write down the up under the, you said 7 up under the 5. Good job. But what we're going to do with the 3? We're going to do the same thing we did with the rest of them. We're going to move it on over and put it into the next place value. And then we're going to add it when we get to it. So 7 times 4, 28. 28 plus 3, 31. So you write down the 1, and because there's nothing else to multiply it with, you're just going to go ahead and drop it. 1, 2, 3, comma, me. And so our answer, or the product to the equation 4,532 times 7 is 31,724. Good job for those that got it right. So now we're going to go to our pop questions. Pop questions. All right. For our pop questions today, please email, send it in your, put it in your profile, or you can put it in your, send it to your homeroom teacher, or you can just send it to me. That's cool. So the first, we're going to have 2 today. So the first question is 45 times 45 times 15. And I want you to set it up using the box method. I want to see your box method. Okay? Then I want you to check it using the standard way of multiplying. Your second pop question is 3,978 times 9. I want you to set that up. I want to see everything lined up. I want to see your what you carried over. Most importantly, I want to see your correct answer. So, your study island assignment will be uploaded just in a few short seconds, and it's going to be titled 4.C and D, May 12th, Math Distant Learning Assignment. So go in and complete that. And here's another picture. Here you go. Okay. Don't forget to answer your attendance question. And please, please, please go in and finish all your assignments, including in no red ink, study island reading and math. This is very important. Please go in and complete all of the assignments. All right, until later on this week, I'll see you later. Bye.